This is Manisha Mane, Assistant Professor from Shahanankar Kachchi Engineering College, Chembur, Mumbai, from the Department of Electronics Engineering. As a part of International FDP on Environmental and Sustainability, I am going to present a case study based on the subject Mobile Communication. Title of my case study is Effect of Mobile Radiation on Environment. Professor Girish Kumar from IIT Bombay says that cell phone industry may not admit that there are harmful effects like cigarette industry. People have to unite and convince policymakers to adapt stricter radiation norms to protect people, birds, animals, trees and plants and the environment. Electromagnetic radiation is a form of energy exhibiting wave-like behavior as it travels through space. Electromagnetic radiation has both electric and magnetic field components which oscillate in phase perpendicular to each other and also perpendicular to the direction of energy propagation. It is classified into two types as ionizing radiation, which is capable of ionizing atom, breaking chemical bonds, and non-ionizing radiation associated with two major potential hazards as electrical and biological. Extremely high power electromagnetic radiations can cause electric current strong enough to create spark, and these sparks can then ignite flammable materials like gases and possibly lead to the explosion. Mobile radiation creates harmful effects on the environment. Out of this, here I am going to discuss about the effects on human, insects, birds, animals and plants. When we are talking about effect of mobile radiation on human body, it has been observed that many people suffer from sleep disorder, headache, concentration problem, memory losses, depression, and even infertility and cancer, etc. Rapid increase in the brain tumor cases shows that people who use cell phones for 30 minutes per day have higher chances of getting brain tumor. When we are talking about effect on the insect, birds and animals, radio frequency radiation directly affect the biomolecular like DNA and produce genetic and genotoxic effects. Apart from neuronal damage, behavioral changes have been reported in insects, birds and animals. Locomotor defects have been observed in birds, which results in inability of birds to fly. Electromagnetic radiations can influence the reproductive capacity of birds and animals, thus it is a serious cause of concern in present era. When we are talking about the effect of mobile radiation on plants, it has been observed that top of trees tends to dry when they are directly face the cell tower antennas and leads to dieback. The browning of the tree tops is often observed near cell towers, especially when water is near their root base. Here, tree tops works as RF waveguides. Also, it is found that output of the most of fruit-bearing trees reduced drastically from 100% to 5% after 2.5 years of cell tower installation in the farm. So, there are enough evidences of serious effects from this technology on biosphere. The World Health Organization (WHO) has classified this radio frequency electromagnetic radiation as has a potential of carcinogen. The same classification used for lead, chloroform and emission of from the automobiles. With rapid increase in the cell phone subscription, every part of the biosphere is exposed to continuously increasing RF radiation and in the near future leads to the electro pollution. This is all about my case study. Thank you.